Hi, I'm Cara from Cafe Mauds, and today I'm going to be showing you how we make our Kinder Bueno crepe. So we pour the crepe mix onto the crepe plate. So we'll let it cook on that side for about 1.5 minutes, then we'll flip it over and start filling it. So we'll flip it over. First we'll put in our Nutella. And our Kinder Bueno pieces. And then a good handful of our white chocolate buttons. So I'm only filling half of the crepe, so it's easier then to flip it over. You can also get Mauds Ice Cream with your crepes, so I'll put some Pooh Bear on it. And that just goes on the side of the plate. So it should be ready now to flip over. And just straight onto the plate. And a nice dusting of icing sugar. And that's it.
Still on my mission to find the best coffee shops, cafes in Belfast, just in Cafe Mauds on the Lisburn Road, and oh my goodness, the choice is just unbelievable. Apart from doing all the usual drinks that a coffee shop serves, this place is the place to go if you're looking for desserts. Not only does it serve Mauds Ice Cream, but it does waffles, crepes, which I've just tasted, absolutely out of this world. But what I'm really excited to try is a new range which they're launching, which is a Mauds Ice Lolly or ice cream lolly. What's the exciting part about it is that you can totally customise it for your own toppings and sauces, and I have made my creation. Well, not actually made it, but I've had it made for me. So I'm about to try the very first bite. I know this is only launching, so it's something really new, so definitely I'm very excited to try it, so let's go. I think I need to have another bite. Well, the perfect end to a perfect day.